Hello, welcome to my kitchen, also known as the food layer. Today we're doing jumbo shells. We're going to stuff them with chicken and cheese. Now this is a very versatile recipe. You can stuff with any kind of meats, beef, chicken, or even that not so meat. Basically you can put anything you want in it. Also the cheese. Today I'm choosing mozzarella. You can put in cheddar, you can put in a different type of blend, and then you want it also to be creamy. Now today I'm using mushrooms to add with the meat and cream of chicken. Now like I said, we have different types of cream. To make it creamy you could do cheese, you could do cream of mushroom instead of cream of chicken, or add your own special blend of sauce just to make it creamy. Like I said, jumbo shells being stuffed is a very versatile recipe. Well, enough of that. Let's get this stuff in the oven. First, boil the shells and get them soft. There you go. Alright, we made our sauce using cream of chicken soup, mushroom, and cheese. Mixed it all together and stuffed our shells. Now we're going to take these things and put them in the oven. Make sure to cover them up with tin foil to keep their softness going. Let's put them in the oven. Alright, got them in the oven. Set them for 20 minutes. And now we wait. Alright, the shells are just about done. And we're gonna take some out, plate them, throw some garnish. You could do parsley or cheese or some sort of tomato or bacon. Today I'm gonna do some mozzarella garnish. Sprinkle it on there, give it a taste, and I'll let you know. Yeah, they're just about done. All right, I got one right here. Let's try it out right now. Yeah. Yeah. That is good. Welcome to the food layer. That is good. And I forgot the garnish. check out these videos of me garnishing some. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button. Come on, check these out. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching me cook stuffed shells. Please leave a comment down below and tell me what you would put in your stuffed shells, and I'll give your recipe a check. Go ahead, leave a comment down below and tell me what you would put in your stuffed shells, and I'll check out your recipe.